the female's pretty easy. So here's your urinary bladder.
Wait.
Oh, are we ready?
I guess now.
Okay, so here's your urinary bladder. This is the body of the uterus. This is the uterine horn. Then this is just a bed of fat. And then the broad ligament is what attaches the, all this is the broad ligament. Then your, so this right here is your ovarian bursa. Thank you. Do that. I don't know what's saying. I only have one jacket that's unpacked right now. Yeah, so there's your ovarian bursa, this little pink thing. And I think that's it.
Awesome. Nice.
Okay. So this is the diaphragm. This right here. These are the lobes of the liver. You need to know this is the part of the stomach that's not going anywhere, is the fundig part. Then the part where the esophagus, right here's the esophagus. Right there where it goes right there is the cardiac portion. And then the portion where it connects with the pyloric sphincter and the duodenum, that's the pyloric portion, so right here. Then this is the little band going right here, that's the pyloric sphincter, so that regulates what goes into the duodenum. Then this first loop right here is your duodenum, and then all the kind of brown stuff in there in that duodenum is the pancreas. So just like in the fish, the pancreas is located in the duodenum. Okay? And then all this is kind of jejunal ileum until you get to this part, which is the cecum, and that's for cellulose breakdown. And then it goes into the colon, and the best part to see the colon is just when it goes down. So it's just the colon. Okay, this is the spleen right here. This is your kidney. This right above it is the adrenal gland, usually covered with a lot of fat, but that's your adrenal gland. Okay, then I think we can go into male.
Alright, hold on.
Oh.
I'm going to restart a new one.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So, let's see. Let's do this. So this is your bladder. And then on either side are the prostate glands. Right here. This is your vesicular gland. You guys don't have a very big vesicular gland. Oh, this one's better. Alright, vesicular gland is like the rough part, and the coagulating gland is the smoother part on the side. Okay, and then your lovely penis right here. This whole thing. And then, okay. So the scrotum is what contains it, and then your cremasteric pouch is this kind of layer of skin, and we call the cavity inside the cremasteric pouch the vaginal cavity. Yes, guys have vaginal cavities. And the opening to the vaginal cavity, so if what you cut through to get through to this pouch, that's your inguinal canal. Okay? So the muscles down here, the one that's kind of above the penis, right here, that's your ischio-cavernous muscle. Sorry, I'm trying to get out of your guys' way. But then the one right below it is the bulbocavernosus muscle, and then the one down below, like on the body of the wall, is the bulb of the penis. And then you have to look under here, and this little gland right here that's the bulbourethral gland. testy, your head of the epididymis, the body, which goes behind it, and the tail, which is right here. So,
which contains the gabernaculum.
so all this,
Goober.
right here is a specialized mesentery, which we call mesorchium. And then at the very end, where the tail, the epididymis, right here is like this thickened region. Hold on, I can pull it out a little. This thickened region right here, that's your gubernaculum.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And then if you guys see this intertwined blue and red, that's your panpiniform plexus. And then
Which cools your sperm down, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so this is your vas deferens.
Is that it?